Hi guys and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can send crypto from Venmo to another wallet, so let's dive in. Start by opening the Venmo app on your device. Once you're in, look at the bottom menu and tap on the Crypto tab. This will take you to your cryptocurrency dashboard where you can view your crypto holdings. If you already own some Bitcoin, you'll see it listed under the Your Crypto section. Tap on Bitcoin to proceed. Next, navigate to the bottom menu again and tap the icon with two arrows, which represents the transfer option. This is where you'll be able to send your Bitcoin either to another Venmo user or to an external crypto wallet. Tap on Send, and you'll be given a few different ways to send the funds. You can use a username, a Bitcoin wallet address, or an ENS Ethereum name service if it's supported. Now, carefully enter the recipient's Bitcoin address or select a contact from your list. If you're sending to a wallet address, it is extremely important to make sure the address is 100% accurate. Double and even triple check every single character, because if you send it to the wrong address, the transaction is irreversible and your funds could be lost permanently. Once you've selected the recipient, enter the amount of Bitcoin you'd like to send, for example, $1 worth of Bitcoin for demonstration purposes. When you're ready, tap on Review Transfer to go over the details. The app will ask for final confirmation before the transaction is sent. And just like that, your Bitcoin will be transferred from Venmo to the other wallet.